After flying the DJI Neo 2 for a week, the reviewer quickly realized that what looks good on paper doesn't always tell the full story. Real flying does. This review focuses on how the Neo 2 actually performs in real-world use, not just what the specs claim. The drone feels like a major step forward in DJI's compact lineup, offering smarter control, smoother flight, and better stability. Though, not without a few trade-offs. One of the biggest changes comes with the battery system. The old Neo batteries don't work with the Neo 2 because DJI redesigned the connectors and added a new safety handshake system. This ensures stable power delivery for the new motors and dual-axis gimbal. In real flights, users get around 16 to 17 minutes of battery life, slightly below the official 19-minute claim, but cooling and power management are much improved. The downside is that existing Neo 1 owners will have to buy all new batteries. The design has also evolved. The Neo 2 is slightly heavier at 151 grams, but that extra weight makes it steadier in the air, especially in windy conditions. The propellers are redesigned for quieter operation and smoother climbs. DJI added a front display showing flight info, battery status, and tracking. A small but helpful addition for quick checks outdoors. In terms of flight intelligence, the new Smart Flight system learns your flying habits, predicts motion, and adjusts for wind or sudden movements automatically. Forward sensors now detect obstacles like poles or people, though it's not full 360-degree coverage, so pilots still need to stay alert. The dual-axis gimbal, combined with electronic stabilization, delivers impressively smooth footage even in tricky situations like fast orbits or windy shots over water. Colors have DJI's signature cool tone and protect highlights well. Gesture control is also more reliable, making hands-free flying easier. The drone performs confidently in tough conditions, wind, GPS dropouts, or narrow spaces, holding position calmly and returning home safely with improved path planning. Accessories are pricier, and full functionality, like remote and goggles support, depends on firmware and regional certification, especially outside China. Still, the Neo 2 feels more mature and dependable than its predecessor. This isn't a small update, it's a real evolution. The DJI Neo 2 combines smarter flight logic, steadier control, and beginner-friendly safety in one compact drone. It's not perfect, but it's DJI's most confident small flyer yet. Let's compare the DJI Neo 2 with DJI Neo. The newly launched Neo 2 builds upon the charm and simplicity of the original DJI Neo, but with a serious leap in camera quality, flight performance, and safety intelligence. It's small, it's smart, and it's designed to make flying look effortless, even if you've never touched a drone before. But how much of an upgrade is it really? Let's dive into a full comparison between the new DJI Neo 2 and the original DJI Neo to see what's changed, what's improved, and what's worth your money. At first glance, both drones share the same ultra-compact DNA. The DJI Neo 2 weighs slightly more at 151 grams compared to the Neo's 145 grams, but that's still impressively light and well below most drone registration limits. The Neo 2's build feels more premium, featuring refined materials that give it a sturdier yet sleek finish. While both are aimed at beginners, the Neo 2 is clearly styled for both casual flyers and aspiring content creators who want a more professional feel. The biggest leap, however, is in the camera system. The original Neo had a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 12-megapixel photos and 4K at 30 frames per second. Decent for social media or hobby use, but the Neo 2 steps up with a larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the same size found in some higher-end DJI drones. The result? Sharper details, improved dynamic range, and better low-light performance. The Neo 2 doesn't stop there. It can record in 4K at 60 frames per second and even 100 frames per second for smooth cinematic slow motion, something unheard of in this small size class. DJI has also enhanced color and contrast processing, producing richer and more vibrant footage straight out of the camera. The Neo's 3-axis mechanical gimbal offered nice stability, but the Neo 2's 2-axis gimbal paired with smart electronic stabilization and advanced software makes footage just as smooth, even in light wind. When it comes to intelligent shooting, the Neo 2 takes creativity several steps further. It includes DJI's Focus Track suite, featuring Active Track, Spotlight, and Point of Interest, all powered by better sensors and smarter tracking. The drone can lock onto subjects like cyclists or runners, follow them smoothly, and even execute cinematic shots automatically. It introduces new creative modes such as master shots, dolly zoom, and selfie shot, features once limited to more expensive DJI models. The older Neo's quick shots were more basic, offering modes like droney, circle, rocket, and helix, but without the advanced subject recognition or cinematic control the Neo 2 delivers. Safety and flight intelligence also get a massive upgrade. The Neo 2 now includes omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, giving pilots confidence to fly through tighter spaces without fear of crashing. The original Neo relied only on downward sensors, which limited its awareness. The Neo 2 can automatically correct flight paths, avoid collisions, and perform emergency maneuvers, making it ideal for new pilots. It also supports DJI's advanced return-to-home system, GPS flight stabilization, and a new beginner mode with customizable limits. Performance-wise, the Neo 2 offers a more refined flight experience. Its top speed rises to 43 km per hour, and it maintains better stability in light winds thanks to improved aerodynamic tuning. Flight time sits at around 19 minutes, just 1 minute less than the Neo, but it makes up for it with more powerful propulsion and faster responses. The new DJI O4 transmission system dramatically increases its range to 10 kilometers compared to the Neo's 4-kilometer limit, offering low-latency HD live view and dual-band Wi-Fi for a more reliable signal. Battery performance also sees a smart evolution. The Neo 2's 1,606 mAh lithium-ion battery supports faster USB-C charging, taking just around 45 to 50 minutes to recharge, and it's now fully removable, a welcome upgrade for travelers or creators shooting on the go. The original Neo's non-removable 1,100 mAh battery made extended use inconvenient. Connectivity and app integration have improved too. Both drones use the DJI Fly app, but the Neo 2 offers a low-latency HD live feed and even packs 49 GB of built-in storage, something the Neo completely lacked.
When it comes to price, DJI has positioned the Neo 2 as an affordable yet capable step up from the original. The DJI Neo 2 Fly Solo package starts at $259. The Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries and accessories, is priced at $429, and the Motion Fly combo, complete with DJI Goggles 3 and a motion controller, costs $599. By comparison, the original DJI Neo starts at $199 for the basic kit, $289 for the Fly More combo, and $418 for its motion bundle. In short, the DJI Neo 2 feels like a complete refresh, smarter, stronger, and more cinematic, while keeping the same fun and friendly spirit that made the original Neo popular. It's a perfect evolution for beginners ready to take their creativity to the next level without breaking the bank. So which one would you go for? The upgraded DJI Neo 2 with its cinematic power, or the classic DJI Neo for easy flying fun? Let me know your pick in the comments, and if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and reviews.